Hi, welcome to the quiz. You can answer along on quizalto.com, all for free. The exact URL of this quiz will be in the notes down below. Let's get started, good luck. What is a security feature of AWS Transfer Family for file transfers that ensures data privacy? Public publication of transfer activities. Serverless architecture for transparency. Encryption of file transfer logs. Role-based access control. A security feature of AWS Transfer Family is role-based access control that ensures data privacy and restricts access to files based on user roles and permissions. What is an important aspect of security when using AWS Transfer Family for file transfers? Hardware firewall configuration. Access control and encryption. User authentication protocols. Data retention policies. Access control and encryption are important aspects of security when using AWS Transfer Family, ensuring that files are protected during transfer and at rest. What is the protocol used by AWS Transfer Family to enable file transfers over the Internet? SCP, FTP, SFTP, FTPS. AWS Transfer Family uses the SFTP to enable secure file transfers over the Internet, ensuring data confidentiality and integrity. What is the benefit of using AWS Transfer Family for automated file transfer workflows that require frequent data exchanges between systems? Workflow automation. Data lifecycle management. Low data redundancy. Manual data verification. AWS Transfer Family supports automated file transfer workflows by providing features for integration with existing systems, scripting environments, and data processing pipelines, enabling seamless and efficient data exchanges between systems without manual intervention. What is the primary advantage of using AWS Transfer Family for replacing legacy file transfer solutions with built-in encryption features? High network latency. Hardware token authentication. Public data exposure. Data encryption in transit and at rest. The primary advantage of using AWS Transfer Family is its data encryption capability in transit and at rest, providing end-to-end encryption for secure file transfers, protecting data from unauthorized access and data breaches, and ensuring data confidentiality during transfer operations, making it a secure file transfer solution compared to legacy systems. What is a security feature of AWS Transfer Family that enhances data protection during file transfers? Network boundary isolation. Self-service encryption keys. External data backup servers. File transfer acceleration. One security feature is network boundary isolation in AWS Transfer Family, enhancing data protection by isolating file transfer activities from other network traffic. What is the maximum size of a single file transfer supported by AWS Transfer Family SFTP and FTPS servers? 10 terabytes. 1 terabyte. 500 gigabytes. 5 terabytes. AWS Transfer Family SFTP and FTPS servers support file transfers of up to 5 terabytes in size, allowing for large file transfers to and from AWS. What is a key security feature of AWS Transfer Family for file transfers to and from AWS? Single sign-on authentication. Encryption at rest and in transit. Automatic virus scanning. Public file sharing links. Encryption at rest and in transit is a key security feature of AWS Transfer Family, ensuring that files are secure during storage and transfer. What is a feature of AWS Transfer Family that enhances data transfer efficiency? Scripting language integration. Video transcoding capabilities. Compression support. Data visualization tools. AWS Transfer Family supports compression to enhance data transfer efficiency by reducing file sizes for faster transfers. What is the primary benefit of using AWS Transfer Family for transferring files to and from AWS? Security and compliance. Cost reduction. Access control. Performance improvement. AWS Transfer Family provides security features and compliance capabilities that help meet regulatory requirements, making security and compliance the primary benefit of using the service. What is the benefit of using AWS Transfer Family for data transfer operations that require automated monitoring and alerting capabilities? Limited network bandwidth. Manual file validation. Static storage allocation. Built-in monitoring. AWS Transfer Family offers built-in monitoring and alerting capabilities that allow users to automate the monitoring of file transfer operations, track transfer status, and receive alerts for successful or failed transfers, enabling proactive management of data transfer workflows. What is a key benefit of using AWS Transfer Family for enabling automated file transfer workflows between on-premises systems and AWS storage services? Seamless integration. Manual data migration. Increased network latency. Role-based data access. AWS Transfer Family provides seamless integration for enabling automated file transfer workflows between on-premises systems and AWS storage services, allowing users to automate data exchanges, synchronize data between environments, and streamline file transfer operations without manual intervention or data migration efforts. What is the key benefit of implementing AWS Transfer Family for file transfer workflows requiring fine-grained access control and authorization policies? Default encryption settings. Policy-based access control. Client-side decryption. Open data sharing. AWS Transfer Family offers policy-based access control for defining fine-grained authorization policies that specify access rights to file transfer endpoints based on user roles and permissions, providing granular control over data access and sharing. What is the advantage of implementing AWS Transfer Family for transferring files over traditional file transfer protocols like FTP and SFTP? Custom encryption methods. Scalability. Dependence on client software. Data replication. Implementing AWS Transfer Family for file transfers provides scalability, allowing users to handle large volumes of data transfers without the need to manually manage server resources, a key advantage over traditional file transfer protocols. What is a benefit of using AWS Transfer Family for file transfers in terms of disaster recovery? Shared file permissions. Data backup and restoration capabilities. Web-based file editors. Scheduled file purging. AWS Transfer Family offers data backup and restoration capabilities for disaster recovery scenarios, ensuring data can be recovered in case of unexpected events. What is the primary advantage of using AWS Transfer Family over traditional file transfer methods? Automated error correction. Faster data processing. Lower energy consumption. Scalability and security. The primary advantage of using AWS Transfer Family is scalability and security, allowing for seamless and secure file transfers at scale. What is a data encryption feature of AWS Transfer Family that ensures data security during file transfers? Cross-platform encryption keys. Secure SFTP transfers. Automated file compression. Public data sharing links. Secure SFTP transfers in AWS Transfer Family ensure data security during file transfers by encrypting files during transit. What is the key benefit of using AWS Transfer Family for automating file transfer workflows between on-premises systems and AWS services compared to manual data migration processes? Streamlined data exchanges. On-demand data access. Client-side encryption. Public data sharing. The key benefit of using AWS Transfer Family for automating file transfer workflows is streamlined data exchanges between on-premises systems and AWS services, allowing users to automate data transfers, synchronize data between environments, and eliminate manual data migration processes, providing a seamless and efficient solution for data exchange operations. What is the primary advantage of using AWS Transfer Family for implementing automated file transfer workflows requiring continuous monitoring and alerting capabilities? Public network interfaces. Manual data deduplication. Automated alerts. On-demand data access. The primary advantage of using AWS Transfer Family for automating file transfer workflows is continuous monitoring and alerting capabilities, allowing users to automate monitoring tasks, receive alerts for successful or failed transfers, and track transfer status in real time, enabling proactive management and monitoring of file transfer operations. What is the primary advantage of using AWS Transfer Family for automating file transfer workflows requiring secure authentication and access control mechanisms? Policy-based access policies. Manual data verification. Shared data storage. Public network interfaces. The primary advantage of using AWS Transfer Family for automating file transfer workflows is the implementation of policy-based access policies that define granular data access controls, ensuring secure authentication and authorization mechanisms for file transfers, enhancing data security and access control in transfer operations. What is the primary advantage of using AWS Transfer Family for implementing automated file transfer workflows for data stored in Amazon S3 buckets? Manual data replication. Public data exposure. On-demand data access. Automated data synchronization. AWS Transfer Family offers automated data synchronization as the primary advantage for implementing automated file transfer workflows with data stored in Amazon S3 buckets, allowing users to automate data exchanges, schedule data transfers, and streamline data migration processes between S3 and external systems without manual data replication efforts. What is a key feature of AWS Transfer Family for managing multiple file transfer tasks simultaneously? Disk encryption. Concurrency control. Database indexing. Network load balancing. AWS Transfer Family offers concurrency control as a key feature to manage multiple file transfer tasks simultaneously and efficiently. What is a key benefit of implementing AWS Transfer Family for file transfer workflows requiring enhanced security features and compliance controls compared to legacy file transfer solutions? Integrated compliance. Open network access. Manual data migration. Hardware acceleration. AWS Transfer Family offers integrated compliance features as a key benefit for implementing file transfer workflows that require enhanced security and compliance controls compared to legacy solutions, ensuring that file transfers are compliant with data protection regulations, standards, and industry best practices for secure data management and transfer operations. What is a benefit of using AWS Transfer Family in terms of cost-effectiveness? High data transfer charges. Pay-as-you-go pricing. Flat rate subscription fees. Free trial period. AWS Transfer Family offers pay-as-you-go pricing, allowing users to pay only for the resources and usage they actually consume. What is an important factor to consider when choosing between AWS Transfer Family and traditional file transfer methods? Server hardware compatibility. Scalability requirements. Operating system version. Internet connection speed. One important factor to consider is the scalability requirements when choosing between AWS Transfer Family and traditional file transfer methods. And that's a wrap. Thanks to everyone who participated. Remember, you can answer along on quizalto.com, where you can keep track of your progress and find much more quizzes. We hope you had a fun and challenging time. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and, if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.